This dictation material has been obtained from newspaper para 31. The annual plan for fiscal year 2014-15 envisaged better energy supplies, visible increase in investment, political stability, and favorable weather conditions. Full stop. None of these factors could mark a noticeable improvement which continued to limit economic growth during the year, said the State Bank of Pakistan in its third quarterly report. Full stop. The report praised the government for the steps taken by it for improvement of economy, but it also pointed towards some critical issues in its detailed report. Full stop. The report disclosed that services sector performed better than last year during the first 9 months, but it was all owing to government's involvement and not to provide private sector. Full stop. The services sector grew in the current fiscal year because it was mainly pushed by higher salaries and pensions of government servants and growth in financial year and insurance sector. It was also because of their investment in government papers. Full stop. Despite lower growth in commodity producing sectors, agriculture and industry services managed to grow by 5% in the fiscal year 2015, which was higher than 4.4% of last year. Full stop. The impetus came from general government services, reflecting an increase in salaries and pensions of government employees, said the State Bank of Pakistan. Full stop. Another push was a healthy growth in finance and insurance, primarily driven by financial institutions' investment in government securities, said the report. Commercial banks invested rupees 1.2 trillion in government papers in the first time months, which was an all-time high. Full stop. Total investment by the end of March 2015 stood at rupees 5.3 trillion. Full stop. This huge investment by financial services sector in government papers boosted services growth. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.